So today's topic is angle bisectors. So let us start with the definitions, which says an angle greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. In a protractor, there are angles from 0 to 180 degree and vice versa, starting from 0 to 180 degree ulta also, and there is 90 degree in middle of both. So if an angle is less than 90 degree, then it is called as an acute angle. An angle of 90 degrees is called a right angle. If the angle is straight, then it is a right angle. An angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. More than 90 but less than 180 is an obtuse angle. A straight angle measures 180 degree. It means it will move from here to here fully, so it will become a straight angle. A reflex angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Now if you add 180 with 180, it will give you 360, which is nothing but 180 degree along with a protractor of 180 degree again. So it moves from here to the other side, that is 360 degree. If I place two protractors together, it will form a full circle starting from 0 to 180 degree and which ends at 360 degree if it is rotating clockwise. This is clockwise, and the middle angle will be 90 here, and after that it will be 270 if after 180 degree. So reflex angle is an angle which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, which means it starts from here and comes here in this block, third block. This is reflex angle, which is shown as this way with this arrow. Next, the measure of a complete angle is 360 degree. If an angle is fully completed, then it is 360 degree, which becomes a straight line, and it is shown as this arrow, which shows it is a complete angle. Now tell the types of angles. 180 degree. So 180 degree has a definition, so it is a straight angle. 240 degree will come between 180 and 360. 180 and 360, so it becomes a reflex angle. Next question says, use the proper geometrical instruments to construct the following angles. Use the compass and the ruler to bisect them. Now let us do this. So I will do it for 100 degree first. Since there are no measurements given, I would like to take 4 centimeters. Then we have to place the protractor on the line. On the line point. The 90 degree, that is the middle part of the protractor, should be placed and then measure. So here is 50 degree. I have to mark it here with pencil, then move the protractor and join these lines. This is my angle 50 degree. I will name it as angle A B C. Now I have to draw its angle bisector. Let us see how do we draw angle bisector. First you have to make an arc anywhere from the angle B. That is the middle part of the angle. Now on the arc I have to place the rounder on the line. जहाँ पे line और arc का क्रॉस कनेक्शन, दैट इज़ इंटरसेक्टिंग हो रहा है, वहाँ पे मुझे राउंडर रखना है और एक आर्क बनानी है बीच में. सेम डिस्टेंस चेंज नहीं करना है और एक आर्क बनानी है दिस वे. देन जॉइन पॉइंट बी विद दिस इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट. And then name the point. I will name it as P. So this is my 50 degree angle with angle bisector P. Next is 100 degree. I will again take 5 centimeters. Keep the protractor. Keep the protractor in the middle part of the protractor on the line point. Then take 100 degree. अब ये कैसे चूज़ करना है, दैट ऑल्सो हैज़ अ फॉर्मेट. अगर मैं लेफ़्ट साइड पे ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ तो मुझे राइट साइड से ज़ीरो की तरफ देखना है, राइट का ज़ीरो देखना है. अगर मैं राइट साइड पे इसको रखने वाली हूँ तो मुझे लेफ़्ट की तरफ से ज़ीरो को देखना है. आई हैव टू मूव फॉरवर्ड फ्रॉम ज़ीरो here. If I am keeping it on left side, then I have to go from here. Now I have kept it on left side, so I will move from here 0 to 100. Here is my 100. Now I will point it here. 90 तो कहीं से भी सेम ही होगा, okay, but other angles are different. Now I have to join these lines. This is my angle. I will name this figure as XYZ. After this, draw an arc. Place it on the point. फिर से draw an arc without changing distance. फिर से draw an arc. Then mark the point of intersection and then pass it from the angle. Pass a line from the angle. And I will name it as M. So this is my angle bisector of 100 degree angle XYZ. You have to write the degrees. It is compulsory except for 90 degree. 90 डिग्री को छोड़ के हर एक एंगल का नंबर लिखना ज़रूरी है फिगर्स में. दिस इज़ माई फिगर. That's all from angles and bisectors. Thank you.